Shalom, shalom. This is your brother Yael Ezra Ben Levy coming at you again with another quick video. I want to talk again about the concept of unity, of unifying as a people. The main thing that will make this a smooth transition, something that can actually happen, is we must see each other as one another. When I look at you, I must see me. When you look at me, you must see you. Because it says in the scriptures that we are to love one another as we do ourselves. You are to love your neighbor as you do yourself. I could take it even broader by saying, I am to honor you as I honor myself. I am to respect you as I respect myself. I am to want what is best for you as I want what is best for myself. So if we are really going to unify, if we are really going to come together as a people, you must see me and I must see you. I must honestly, genuinely love you. I must respect you. I must honor you. And when I see you, I must see myself in you. Because I love me. And if I love me, if I love myself, I should love you as I love myself. I want what is best for me. I want to live a long life. I want to be prosperous. I want to leave an inheritance for my children's children. I want to do all that and more. So how can I look upon my brother and my sister and not want the same thing for them? How can I come together? How can I build with someone that I don't want them things for? How can I walk with you on this path of righteousness if I don't want you to have the things I want to have for myself? For us to successfully come together as the people of God, we must, of course, without a shadow of a doubt, love our God, fear God, and keep the Torah, the commandments of God. But we also must love one another. We must respect one another. That's why I don't call any of my brothers niggas. You are a king, you are a prince, you are my brother. I do not call any of my sisters a hoe or a bee. You are a princess or you are a queen. You are my sister. I want only what is best for you. And if we are truly going to unify, if we are truly going to unite, come together, we must see each other in a different way. Even though we have an enemy that wants to destroy us, we also have joined forces with them in a way because we have become an enemy unto ourselves because we do not see ourselves as ourselves. We have to change how we see each other. We have to walk in love, mutual respect, and then we could come together and truly be as one and build as one, protect each other as one, defend one another as one. So that's all I wanted to share at this time. This is your brother Yael Ezra Ben Levy. Shalom, love, and blessings. Till next time.